Hi everyone, so today I'd like to talk about government contracting in New Jersey. I'm going to go over resources that will help you find government contracts in the state. Obviously, it's a small state, but I got few requests from people that they wanted to see and find government contracts in Jersey. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'll have an Excel sheet that has the major kind of links, but I'm also going to go over them. It should be free. I'll leave a link in the description. So the main one, which is the one that I always recommend to go to, which is SAM.gov, what you want to do is you want to click on contracting opportunities, and then you want to filter the state to be in New Jersey. And as you can see here, there are 105 results, but I'm sure that's not what you want. That's not what you're here for. You're here to see where you can find state, local, and education government contracts in Jersey. So the first and most important website in Jersey is the state website, and it's njstar.gov. It looks something like this. So once you go to the website, njstar.gov/ESO, you want to scroll to the bottom like this, and then you want to click on open bids. And you're going to see a table like this. It's not the best looking website, but what you want to do is you want to visit each one of these and see if it's a good fit for your business or not. This one, for example, is for telecommunication. You can find the attachments here. You can also see the address, the contracting officer, and all the details that you need to see, and it's completely free. Now, once we are done, this is kind of the main one. Now we get to the next level, which is the counties and cities, and it's a hit or miss. So these counties and cities, usually you're going to have to see them or check them out every now and then to make sure that they have open contracts. But I can go over some of them, but there's just a lot of them. This one is West Orange, Middlesex. You have this city of Newark, and then you have a bunch of cities here as well. You have a school district in here. You have Princeton University, obviously. But what we want to do is just go over maybe one of them. So we're going to go over the city of Newark and city of Trenton. Hope I said that correctly. So this one is the city of Newark, and then you can see that they have different projects. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one is also an intuitive, kind of easy platform to see. You have your overview, you have the project documents, and you have question and answers. So here's where you ask your question to the contracting officer, and they respond back with answers. And then we're heading over to Trenton and New Jersey, and you can see that they have some bits as well in here in different categories. So these are in the water and sewer. So there's 12 bits, which is a lot for the city, to be honest. You have recreation and natural resources and culture. Then you have public work, housing, and administration department. So what you want to do is you want to find your city, your county, the state, obviously, and any local institution or education institution that's close to you. And also you can look on the federal level as well. That's pretty much it. As I've mentioned, I'll have these resources. I don't want to waste a lot of your time looking into each one of these. You get the idea. They're hosted on multiple different procurement websites. So it'd be a challenge to go over them one by one. And if you want to focus on Jersey, that's fine. You can just bookmark these. But if you are a government contracting business and you work across the country, then you might want to consider SamSearch, where you can find Jersey contracts, of course, for all these resources that we have mentioned. But on top of that, you can find government contracts across all states, counties, and cities and municipalities, as you could see in the list that I'm showing you right now. It's thousands and thousands of procurement websites. So if you want to save time and save a lot of money, then definitely consider getting a SamSearch subscription. You'll be able to access the state, the federal grants, SBIR, and STTR with ease. And on top of that, you get an AI-generated summary with each one of the results and the title. So you're not faced with a dashboard like this where you can't even tell what the opportunity is about. What you get here is you get the title, you get an AI-generated summary, all the details. Then you can go to it and obviously check it out and break it down using AI. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope answered the people that were asking about Jersey. Let me know if you want me to cover more states. I'll be happy to do videos about different states. Obviously, I've made a few already, one about Texas, I think, and one about New York. California is huge, so if you want me to cover California, by all means, I mean, the California websites just never end. They spend a lot on government contracting. So by all means, if you want me to do more of these videos, let me know. And also, if you want me to cover any topic, let me know in the comments. I usually respond and I address all the comments and I make the videos that people want me to make. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.